Polymer Update TV, the world's first and only TV network with a free petrochemicals news show.
It is Wednesday, July 1st.
I am Shriyal Dhume. Our special newsreel today is sponsored by
Delhi-based New Blast Machinery. Let's start with energy news. Crude oil prices slipped on Tuesday following a surge in the number of positive pandemic cases globally and the probable return of oil production from Libya. Weak Japanese industrial production data further supported the price fall. Brent futures declined by 56 cents, settling at $41.15 per barrel, while WTI futures slipped by 43 cents, settling at $39.27 per barrel. According to Vandana Hari of Vanda Insights, crude futures were inching up early Wednesday in Asia after the American Petroleum Institute reported a massive decline of over 8 million barrels in US commercial crude inventories for the week to June 26th. Open spec naphtha prices spiked by $22 per metric ton to the $389 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels. Moving on to the Asian market updates for polypropylene and polyethylene. In PP, this week PP prices climbed higher in some parts of the South Asian regions. Prices firmed mainly on account of stronger import offers from the overseas suppliers and higher upstream costs. In LLDP, this week LLDP prices gained in the Southeast and South Asian regions. The price rise was supported by stronger upstream costs coupled with higher import offers from the overseas producers. In HDP prices witnessed a rise in Asia this week. The price rise was attributed to higher upstream energy and ethylene rates coupled with stronger import offers from the overseas producers. For detailed price assessments of PP, PE and PVC, we invite you to subscribe to Polymer Update. Our weekly benchmark price assessments and analysis are available on our website for all our subscribers to benefit from. Our special newsreel today is sponsored by Delhi-based New Blast Machinery. Established in the year 2009, New Blast Machinery is a manufacturer, exporter and supplier of filler master batch machines, dispersion kneader machines, palletizing lines, plastic extruder machines, etc.
That's all for today's Polymer News. Watch our daily news video tomorrow to know more.
It is Wednesday, July 1st.
I am Shriyal Dhume. Thank you.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/polymerupdate and be sure to click the like button. You can also find us on Twitter at Polymer Update. For the latest news from the plastics and petrochemicals industry, subscribe to our YouTube channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon.